Good morning everyone! Today for writing I'm going to be talking to you and teaching you about suffixes. Now remember, we have done this before but a long time ago. We add a suffix to a root word and it changes the way we read the word and the way we say the word. Now today we're going to be looking at two suffixes. Have you spotted them on my board? We're going to be looking at the suffix and est. And when we use these two suffixes, we add them mostly. Oh, do you remember what our green words are? That's right, adjectives. We add them to adjectives because they help us give more detail about the nouns we are describing. Remember, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. Now, this is just for your information, but the last word we're going to be looking at today is comparative. We're using this today because when we use and est on our adjectives, we make them comparative adjectives because we're looking at comparing things in our descriptions. Shall we have a look and see? So for our first activity, I've got 3 teddies and you're going to help me using our comparative adjectives to compare the size of them. Should we have a look and see which teddies I've got? Okay, so I've got my white teddy bear, my brown teddy bear, and my tiger teddy bear. We're going to start by using these adjectives. Big, big, bigger. I bet you can't guess what the next word is. That's right, biggest. Which teddy is the biggest? Is the tiger the biggest? Oh no, I've got that wrong, haven't I? Is the tiger bigger than the bear? Shall we have a look? The brown bear is big. The tiger is bigger than the brown bear, but the white bear is the biggest. Shall we do some more? Tall. Can you guess what comes next? Taller. And tall est. Now tallest is their height. Oh, I think I know who's the tallest. It's white bear again. But which is taller, the tiger or brown bear? Brown bear is taller than the tiger. So the tiger is just tall. So, brown bear is taller than the tiger, but the white bear is tallest. Let's have a look at the next ones. Small. 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 Smaller. Small est. Smallest. Which is the smallest? It's not the white bear, is it? I think brown bear is the smallest because he is small. Or is it the tiger? I'm going to compare them by putting them together. Let's have a look. Yes, I agree. Brown bear is the smallest. But the tiger is smaller than the teddy. Now I could say that the white bear is small. It's definitely smaller than me. You ready for the last set? Oh, this might be a tricky one. Long. Longer. Oh, you've guessed it. Longest. Now, the length of something is how long it is, not wide. So I need to turn the animals. Ooh. Is the tiger longer than the bear? Let's put them next to each other and check. Oh yes, he's not the longest, is he? So, white bear is the longest, but the tiger is longer than brown bear, which means brown bear is not very long. Can you find 3 objects and have a go at comparing how long they are and which is longest, how big they are and which is biggest, how small they are, and last one, how tall they are. Off you go. So did you see from my teddies, when we are using the suffixes and est, we are comparing certain characteristics about them. So with the teddies we looked at which was the biggest. We looked at which was the shortest. So now we've done that and you've had lots of practice at using your words and coming up with those lovely words with and est. Let's have a look at some adjectives for some spellings. Remember, you can use your phonics to help you and your Fred talk. These are the adjectives we're going to be using for our spelling rules today. Well done. Eat. Sweet. Ooh, tricky one. Have a look. Bright. Bright. Did you get it? Loud. Loud. Quick. Long. Okay, now what you need to do is you're going to need some paper and a pencil for this and get your adults to draw you some lines in your book. Let's see how quickly I can do my lines. Are you ready? Super speedy writing this morning from me. Okay, now you need to pause the video with your grown-ups. Can you change the root word by adding the suffix and the suffix est? Off you go. Okay, dinosaurs, let's see how many you got right. So, sweet becomes sweeter and then sweet est. Bright becomes brighter and bright est. Loud becomes louder or loud est. Quick becomes quicker or quick est. Long becomes longer or longest. Now, when adding the suffixes and est, there are lots of different spelling rules, but at the moment we're not focusing on those in year 1. We're just looking at whether you can add the right suffix to the end. So if you got all those right, give yourselves a tick for each one. made any mistakes, maybe you put longst, do a little cross and have another go. Once you finish this, if you want to keep practicing, can you think of any more adjectives that we can add er and s to? Or you can go into Education City and we've got you a game on there with adding and reading and est. Well done today, dinosaurs. Bye.